Hello everyone, I am Pitchaya Kunarochrakse from C17. Welcome to UnrealScript tutorial part 2. Let's get started. What we want next is move him. Okay, move him. There is a function called victim.move. So put in our pull direction. And it will move to us. But it's not look good because our pull direction is so unstable. So how can we fix that? Is normalize first. I think it's called normal. Okay, normal this vector, and after that we can use pull direction multiplied by some constant. So that constant we can call it the pull speed. Don't forget to declare variable pull speed at the top and set the default property of pull speed to 50 maybe. Okay, this is it for our meat hook gun. Easy though. We can modify something for our gun too, because our old link gun range is too short, so we can change something like the weapon range. Yeah, we can change to 3,000. Oh no, 30,000, whatever. This number I found it from the website, so this one is the infinity. And we can find almost the same thing with the weapon range. No, weapon link distance. Yes, this is how we can, how long we can, no, how far we can maintain our link to our victims. And we should change the beam ammo use per second too, because if you right click, you constant firing the beam, it consumes your ammo. So we should set this to 0, so technically we have infinite ammo now. So this is all for our meat hook gun. So next is the very short and very long script. We will modify our pawn. So you don't even bother to create in the class because we have to make it new anyway. So just create some text document, call that one the Pudge controller .uc. Yes, okay, and make another one to be pawn Pudge. Okay, we will deal with the controller first. The controller should be something like, yes, just copy from that class. Make sure you have the class name and the file the same name. So we should controller same from the gun, the default property. No. Just copy it from here. Okay. Default property. Okay. We don't need this one. Just delete that. So what we have to do with the Pudge controller is we try to call the dismember function from our new key binding, so that should do by call the exec function. This execute function can be called by the command line or the key press, but it can be used in only some classes, and one of the classes is the controller. Oh wait, talk about that. We should extend from the controller, not the link gun anymore. So that class called UT player controller, yeah, this one. So we can call execute function from this type of class. So we override, no, it's not called override, we just make a new function called dismember, and we can use it on Pudge. Okay, for the next one, we should make our pawn Pudge to interact with this dismember. So make another class, yes, this pawn Pudge. Make the class and default property. Don't forget to make the name of the class the same as the file name. This one we should not extend from the controller anymore because we have to extend it from pawn to pawn. So let's implement the dismember function now. We can call function dismember. What we have to do for dismember, let me talk about this first. We try to grab the player in front of us, so we have to use something that indicate no, that can tell us what player is in front of us now. So that thing can be informed by the trace function. Okay, we have trace function. So what this trace function do? Trace function tell us what in front of our character. So look at the function. The trace function gives us the actor, so we should make the actor to contain this function result. But before that, we can make something. Look at the parameter. What it wants is the location, so we can give it location. Normal. Trace n is where we land the test, so this one should be tricky. So we will call it n trace. The start is our actor location, so it should be location. This location told the function where our character is. We don't care about trace actor. No, we want that. So the trace function now should return something. It is our actor, no, not our actor, our victim. So let's call that one the trace. Make our variable to contain all of that. So we need a vector called log norm. We need the trace info. For the hit info, we called trace hit. Okay, that's all we need now.